Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting portable power solutions I've tested, the UD Power C600 Portable Power Station Solar Generator. If you love camping, road trips, or just want reliable backup power at home, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get into it. When it comes to staying powered anywhere, the UD Power C600 Portable Power Station Solar Generator is in a league of its own. Whether you're camping under the stars, traveling in your RV, or preparing for unexpected power outages, this compact powerhouse delivers reliable, clean energy when you need it most. Unmatched power and performance with 600 W AC output and a 1200 W surge thanks to UD Turbo technology, the C600 can run 99% of your essential devices, from refrigerators and power tools to sensitive medical equipment like CPAP machines. Its pure sine wave output ensures your electronics stay safe and efficient. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel. Lightning fast solar charging. Why wait hours for a recharge? The C600 supports up to 240 lure solar input, fully charging in just 2.5 hours with compatible panels. Its wide 18V 28V voltage range means it works with most solar setups, giving you freedom and flexibility wherever you are. Long-lasting Life PO4 battery. The 595 Life PO4 battery offers over 4,000 charge cycles while retaining 80% capacity. That's 10x longer life than standard lithium-ion batteries. At only 12.3 coulombs, it's 30% lighter than many competitors' 500 wh models, making it easy to carry anywhere. Built for safety and durability, certified to UL 2743 FCC CISO ROHS standards, the C600 features a 6-layer safety system to protect against overvoltage, short circuits, and extreme temperatures. The explosion-proof battery and military-grade build mean you can trust it in any environment. Quiet and cool operation. Thanks to its advanced silent fan and smart heat dissipation system, the C600 runs at under 30 dB, quieter than a whisper. Even during high power use, it stays cool and stable. Power everything at once. With 9 versatile output ports, you can charge laptops, phones, tablets, car appliances, and more, all at the same time. No more choosing between devices. Power them all. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel. Why choose the UD Power C600 over other Amazon options? While many portable power stations promise performance, the C600 delivers more power, faster charging, longer battery life, and lighter weight than most competitors. Add in its military-grade safety, ultra-low noise, and unbeatable solar charging speed, and it's clear why this is the best portable power station solar generator you can buy today. Perfect for camping and outdoor adventures, RV travel, emergency home, backup, off-grid, living. Final word. If you want a portable power station that's powerful, durable, and future ready, the UD Power C600 Portable Power Station Solar Generator is your best choice. It's not just a gadget, it's peace of mind wherever life takes you. That's it for today's review of the UD Power C600. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more honest tech reviews and outdoor gear tests. And remember, you will find the link to the product in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.